All right, so before we start, I do want to show you what you're going to be making. This is the application here. There's three different scripts. One is for talking to the OpenAI API. One is for talking to the Instagram API. And the other one is your main application that puts it all together. So when I go ahead and press run, what it's going to do is it's going to generate a prompt using the GPT API. And this is going to be a completely random prompt for an image. So if you give it a minute, I'll show you what it means. Actually, above here, you can see one I ran previously. And this is a completely random prompt that was generated by ChatGPT, including this one too. So then it's going to create three images using the Dolly 2 API. And we'll put those all into a post and then send it off to Instagram. So we'll give it a few more minutes. And if we check the Instagram account right here, you will see that this prompt was generated and three images were generated along with it. Now, of course, it's AI, so, it's a little funny. Do not enter. That's, didn't quite get that part right, but it did get a woman approaching a door in the middle of a looming forest. So, yeah, that's what we're going to be building.